You want me to start off with the birthdays?
Sure.
All right, well, we
Take
have
it.
a cute one here. Kinsley Span, 1 year old out of Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Kinsley. That's a special birthday.
Also turning 1 this year, Fisher Tedlock. Oh, what a cutie there. In Frontenac. Happy birthday, Fisher.
And then we have Blaine Metler from Sarcoxy, who is 7 on Sunday. Happy birthday, Blaine.
All right, and a happy 7th birthday going out to Hunter Bookout in Erie, Kansas. He's ready to have some fun.
Absolutely.
2 thumbs up.
And we have twins from Parsons, Asher and Eliana Helt. Happy birthday to you both. Oh, fraternal twins. Hi.
Yeah, looks like they've been spending some time on the beach. I like that.
Nice.
All right, Emmett Hookie, turning 8 years old in Oswego with love from mom, dad, and little bro.
And Cameron Allen, 9 years old from Joplin with love from grandma and grandpa. Happy birthday.
And birthday wishes going out in Oswego to Claire Baker, who's turning 12 years old this weekend. Happy birthday, Claire.
And over in Weir, we have Abigail Bond, who is 14 years old. Love from Mom, Anna, Austin, and Aunt Katie.
All right, Brady Bettiga turning 14 as well. Looks like we've got a Colgan Panther.
That's right, and his
athlete
birthday's
there.
on Sunday.
Yeah, birthday on Sunday in Pittsburgh.
And Monty Cowarden, 66, and his birthday was on Wednesday. So happy birthday, Monty. That's really cool. Scuba diving.
Yeah, neat picture there. Loretta Saya celebrating birthday number 80 this year. Looking great there, Loretta, with love from the entire family in Columbus.
Virginia Huber, 84, in Neosho, and everyone calls her Tootsie, of course, and that's lots of love from the family. Happy birthday, Virginia.
In Pittsburgh, Gloria Heben Street turning 86 years old this year. Keep on smiling there. Beautiful smile, Gloria. Happy birthday.
And we have Rob Ribgin over in Parsons having a birthday.
Rebecca Pack celebrating out in Galesburg. Hope you have a wonderful birthday weekend.
And our very own Mike Coonrod, who is a production videographer here, had a birthday. So happy birthday, Mike.
Happy birthday, Mike. And our birthday list goes on. We have Aspen Wyrick turning 10 in Seneca with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa. Michael Hagerty in Frontenac, happy birthday. And Glenn Schofield turning 71 down in Miami. If you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to us through our email at birthdays, don't forget the S, at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going onto our website and signing up. You can get special deals. So you can't beat that from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.